Is the 2-hour workday a scam? Well, in this video, you're gonna find out, is it a scam or isn't it a scam? I'm actually going to break it down for you. And it's actually 2 hours of income earning activity. So here's two things that happen. One, people really suck with their time management, and that's why they can't get their income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. Or two, what they're promoting takes more time. Or three, they don't have a system. So inside my program, inside the Legacy Builders program, I help people structure equals freedom, because my goal is not for you to work harder, but for you to actually work smarter and learn the skills to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And here's how that's possible. Because you automate your entire system. My entire sales process is automated, which means, my friend, it's working for you 24/7. So you don't have to spend all this time on social media. You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours going live for a customer, right? You actually have a complete system that does the work for you. So let's break down that 2-hour workday. So the first thing is 1 hour, okay? 1 hour on social media, okay? Your goal is 3 pieces of content, okay? Now, this would be more like TikTok, for example. Instagram, you actually don't need to do 3 pieces. You could do maybe 1 reel a day, 1 picture post a day, and create a bunch of stories. That works really good on Instagram or Facebook. But TikTok, you want to do 3 pieces of content. Now, the goal is, when you're brand new, it looks like this. A 5 to 7 second, okay? A 30-second, and then a 1 to 2 minute. Okay, this 5 to 7 second one that you're going to do, you guys, that shouldn't take you more than an hour to create these 3 pieces of content. If it does, oh, you are overthinking it. And that's the first thing we have to figure out, how to get out of your head and get in your heart, right? A 7 second shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to create it, edit it, and post it, right? A 30-second shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes, and a 1 to 2 second shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to do. Here is why we work on this, because I will share with you, when I started creating content on social media, I sucked. I would go post the video, and then while I was uploading, I would get stuck in the rabbit hole of the For You page. And then 20 minutes went by, right? So we teach you that structure. The goal is 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. In 60 minutes, 1 hour, get your social media post done. Then the next, when you're launching your business, is 30 minutes, okay? Free ads. Now, here's why 30 minutes is so important. Because when you set a timer that you have 30 minutes to post free ads in the World Wide Web, you will get more done in less time. When you know you have all day to post ads, you will get distracted. You'll look out the window, you'll get hungry, you'll get another drink, oh, you'll go scrolling on social media, or you'll get a notification that an email came in and you'll read that. Structure is freedom. So I would literally used to set my alarm for 30 minutes and just post free ads. Copy, paste, post. Copy, paste, post. Brilliant strategy. Okay, so what's the last 30 minutes? Okay, 30 minutes. You're gonna do comments and emails, okay? Comments on post and emails. You're going to respond to emails, okay? Comments on post, and you're gonna respond to emails, 30 minutes. So 1 hour social media, 30 minutes free ad, and 30 minutes commenting. That is your income producing activities. There is nothing else that will make you more money. Now, here's the secret sauce. If you decide to go live, see, I didn't go live my first 90 days. I followed this strategy, made 7,000 my first month, 14,000 my second, and 22,000 my third with a brand new TikTok account back in September of 2022. Then what I did after 90 days, I literally could get my content posted in 30 minutes, and then I would go live for an hour, and I stopped doing free ads. Now, if I could go back and change it, I just would have added 2.5 hours to my income producing activities. But here's what I want you to do. In the comments, you tell me what else makes you money. See, that's people's problem. That's why people are not making any money, because they're doing all this busy work that is not turning into making them an income. Because here's the best part. This content never goes away. It's evergreen. It's always out there working for me, getting exposure to my business. And the comments and the emails on the social media drive traffic back to the automated system. And that automated system is literally working for me 24/7. So no matter what I'm doing, I have my content and my system and my free ads working for me. Now, I have many people inside my community that work 4 to 6 hours a day. I still tell them to do your 2-hour income earning activities, then go do another set of 2 hours, then another set of 2 hours. Because if you know you have 4 hours, you'll get less done. I'm telling you what, advice from a millionaire back when I was launching my business was structure equals freedom, and that is true. I actually make more money now than I've ever made because I've learned the power of just doing the activities that makes me money. Now, some people aren't making money because they're spending hours and hours and hours going live every day to sell a product where they make $1, right? That's hard. I actually, in my program, show you how to master this, how to master social media, how to master getting your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day, because it's all about mastering it, right? Because most of us suck at our time. I did when I started. But I also show you when you're building how to make 100% profit, so you actually can make some good money doing less. So is the 2-hour workday a scam? I don't know. You let me know in the comments if this looks like a scam to you.